What's up, viewers, subscribers, and agents alike? I was polite. Psych. It's your boy, Light Lucifer Prince, coming at you once again. If you're around children, please remove them from your immediate vicinity, as my videos are not for children whatsoever. At all. My videos are for adults and adults only. Let's get that straight. And as I said, I will deliver. How to beat citations. Now I'm 36 years young. I have never in my absolute existence paid for a traffic citation. Never. When I say never, I mean never. Real talk. Because first off, are the children out the room? Let's make sure, first off. They're going good. I do not owe this government shit. In other terms, I don't owe them anything. But let me show you how to beat citations in less than 10 minutes. See, a lot of you motherfuckers out there like to pander to these individuals. I tell you what, I don't pander to them worth a fuck. Because to be honest with you, in my stance, in my knowledge and what I know, I am government. So I don't owe them no explanation about what the fuck I do. But let's just say it on the face of what it is. Let's just say it on the face. I'm not going to show my personal information. I'm just going to read it. Charging officer information. Look that up. Options for disposing of charge. Options. Based on the offenses charged, you have the following options. You may dispose of the offenses without appearing in court by completing the optional blah, 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 and blah, 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 blah. I'm saying that for YouTube purposes. You may dispose of the offense without appearing by using blah, 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 blah. To do so, see waiver instructions below. Now, let's go down to the section of waiver instructions. If you choose to dispose of the offense without appearing by U.S. mail, by visiting the office, the clerk, or the magistrate, you must do the following. Return the citation, full payment, to the mail clerk or Superior Court. Ain't going to tell you what it is, but I'm just informing you. 3. With full payment of the office of the clerk of the magistrate in the county shown above, the clerk must receive your mail citation and payment, or you must appear in person with your citation and payment, check, or money order made to the clerk. It's crazy how they say it. A superior court is paying to the person. You also may pay or make payment, which must be made by certified check, cashier's check, or money order made payable to the clerk of Superior Court if paying in person. You may also make the payment, the payment must be made by certified check, cashier's check, or money order made payable to the clerk of Superior Court if paying in person. You may also pay in payment, quotation marks, must be made certified check. Do not mail cash. Personal check will not be accepted. Last but not leastly, waiver of trial or hearing, a plea of guilty, responsible consent, or entry of judgment. This is what I'm reading now. And I'm not going to put it on the screen, but I'm just reading. But it has my own personal fucking name on it. I acknowledge I've been charged with the offense noted herein in the charging officer. I understand that I am presumed by law to be not guilty or not guilty or responsible until proven guilty or responsible. Not guilty, responsible. Beyond a reasonable doubt. Nevertheless, I do hereby waive constitutional rights to a trial or hearing in open court, to confront the witnesses against me, and representation by an attorney. I hereby plead guilty, responsible to this offense, and I request the court to accept my waiver in a trial or hearing as a plea of guilty, responsible, / that's what it says, and a tender, a final penalty and cause, and that a verdict finding guilty, responsible be entered. This request is made in full understanding of the verdict finding / guilty, responsible will be entered against my record that of this motor vehicle offense, my state law never going to say what it is. Division, motor vehicles, or the licensing authority of any other state which issued my license to me, if I drive, will be notified by the verdict finding that if it has the same legal effect of all offenses and purposes as a verdict / finding of guilty / responsible after a trial / hearing, and that it may result in the assessment highlighted points on my driving and insurance of the suspension or revocation of any other driver's license. Shut up! In less than 10 minutes, you file UCC1 with it, you put your trademark copyright with it, and guess what you do? Take your binder with you to court. What's in the binder? Power of attorney in fact, trademark copyright, specific and derivative averment, and guess what? You also put a security agreement. And I told you that's less than 10 minutes. I got this. I can't put it on camera because I don't want everybody in my business. But I'm letting y'all know how to beat it. But I just read to you the stipulations of the contract. The contract is to get you to basically admit guilt. So, let's just say I won. You're welcome. You won. Don't say I ain't tell you though. See? Because when I deal with traffic issues, this is what I do. Legal registration and secure party creditor information. Signee and signer. All rights reserved. All title created in trust. Fee schedule included. And insurance approved. Signature and prints provided. You're welcome. That's what I do. It's light work. It's light work. Very light work. And you learn that in less than 12 minutes. I don't give a damn what nobody says about me. I really, honestly don't. Really don't. Say what you will. But what I will tell you, with no fear in my heart for no governmental agency, I handle these bitches. And I'm going to be the one that said, I'm government. When I vote on November 5th, my name goes on the ballot. I'm not voting for nobody but me. Straight up. I'm independent. And I say this for a reason. Now, if you a punk ass, weak ass coward, ain't no savior for you. Because you don't even believe in yourself. Real talk. I've been doing this for well over 9 years. You think I fear this system? I could give a fuck less about this system. I believe in a system of Christ. The real, the true Messiah. And I put my life down just like it did. Real talk. I don't fear a motherfucking thing. Not at all. Intimidation tactics have been used against me for years. I don't give a fuck about that. Imprisonment never stopped me. I'll tell you what though. Try that shit again. It's wartime. Period. I don't give a fuck who likes it or not. See, real soldiers go to war. We don't hide behind cameras and so forth. We get our hands dirty. But I just showed you how to keep your hands clean. And I've been doing it. So, for all the influencers on Instagram, all the influencers on TikTok, YouTube, Stop looking for the green. Start looking for the green within. Start looking for the green within. Get that? Where your heart is, there your treasure will be also. Straight up. And that's in less than 16 minutes. I say it, and I will keep saying that. Enemies, if you ever come against me, I'm letting you know right now, there will be what is called unparalleled warfare. If you try it. If you try it. Unparalleled warfare. That means no hold bars. I suggest you tread lightly. I went black a long time ago. Just saying. I ain't gonna say too much. But I went black a long time ago. Play with it if you want to. Play with it if you want to. Long time ago. And trust me, I'm not by myself. Be a fool for you if you think that you basically gonna do something to me. You be a fucking fool. All I have to do is dial 3 numbers. Guess what? Your ass is grass. So enemies, I'll tell you, watch yourself. But to my viewers and my subscribers and my agents, it is what it is. That's how you beat citation. You're welcome. If you want to email me personally, if you're an agent, do not email me. But if you want to know, I will be more than willing to tell you. But I'll tell you what. Wrong guy to fuck with. Wrong one. I went black a long time ago. I keep saying this for a reason. For those that know, you won't find me worth a damn. But if I see you, just know, wherever that laser fall, it is what it is. All light, all peace, all love to those who've been following me for so long. But my enemies, watch closely. 10-4. I'm out.